drum roll, new product announcement.
Yep, it's a product I've been working on for a couple weeks. Now they're close enough to show what they're going to turn out to be. Something that we've been being asked for a while. You can go ahead and show them, Tammy. They will be a set of sliders for the power. So yeah, we've been getting asked questions for these for a while now. Joel Crane finally, our schedules worked out so he could give me his truck so I could prototype and build a set to him. I do have another Powerwagon, and like what Tammy showed, it's basically what you're gonna get. Obviously, I'll dimple the panels like we do with all of our other sliders, like the JT Expedition ones. These are very similar, a lot more robust to deal with the weight of the Powerwagon. Well, obviously it's a full-size truck, so they're heavy. So more will be coming on these. I'm hoping to have the prototype set put together by the end of this week. So just keep your eye out for them. We'll have pictures of them and whatnot as the closer they get together, closer they get ready to being a production part.